how to play Fortnite with an Xbox controller. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to play Fortnite on your iPhone using an Xbox controller. It's actually pretty simple once you know the steps, so let's jump right in. First, let's get your Xbox controller into pairing mode. If your controller is off, just press the Xbox button once to turn it on. Now, even if it connects to something else right away, that's okay, we're about to put it into pairing mode anyway. Flip the controller around and find the small button on the back near the bumpers. Hold that down for a couple seconds until the Xbox light on the front starts flashing. That flashing light means Bluetooth is now active and the controller is in pairing mode. Now let's head over to your iPhone. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center. Find the Bluetooth icon and long press it to bring up more options. Then open the Bluetooth settings. If Bluetooth is off, go ahead and turn it on. Then wait a few seconds and you should see Xbox wireless controller pop up in the list of available devices. Once you see your controller, tap on it. A prompt might pop up asking to pair. Just hit pair, and within a couple of seconds, the flashing light on your controller should turn solid, which means it's connected. You'll also see it listed as connected in your iPhone's Bluetooth menu. If you ever want to disconnect it, just tap the little info icon next to the device name and choose forget this device, or just turn the controller off. Now, open up Fortnite on your iPhone. But the short version is you can find it through cloud gaming or services like Xbox Cloud Gaming. Once you're in the game and everything's loaded, you can control it directly with your Xbox controller. Super smooth, just like console gaming. And that's it. You're now all set up to play Fortnite on your iPhone using your Xbox controller. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.